Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase market share with Tesla Inc. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase market share with Tesla Inc., start by analyzing the current market landscape. Identify key competitors in the electric vehicle and renewable energy sectors. Evaluate Tesla's strengths and weaknesses compared to these competitors. Gather data on customer preferences in the automotive market. Conduct surveys or focus groups to understand consumer perceptions of Tesla. Utilize this data to refine Tesla's brand positioning. Consider expanding Tesla's product lineup to meet diverse consumer needs. Explore options for introducing more affordable models to reach a broader audience. Invest in research and development to enhance vehicle performance and efficiency. Leverage Tesla's existing technological advancements in autonomous driving. Enhance customer service to improve overall customer satisfaction. Strengthen marketing efforts to educate potential buyers on Tesla's benefits. Utilize social media platforms to engage with a wider audience. Implement incentives for referrals to incentivize word-of-mouth advertising. Collaborate with renewable energy companies to create bundled offerings. Expand the supercharger network to alleviate range anxiety for potential buyers. Focus on international markets where electric vehicle adoption is growing. Establish partnerships with local governments for incentives on electric vehicle purchases. Utilize data analytics to track market trends and adjust strategies accordingly. Monitor competitor actions to stay ahead in the market. Regularly update stakeholders with progress reports on market share initiatives. Consider seasonal promotions to boost sales during peak buying periods. Evaluate the effectiveness of implemented strategies and make necessary adjustments. Continuously innovate to stay relevant in the fast-evolving automotive sector. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.